Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thanks for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to look at Shiba Inu. We're going to look at a bit of news and a bit of technical analysis as to why I think this could actually really take off from here. So this is a bit different, yes it is, but I think Shiba Inu does deserve at least a video considering it is rank 15 and holding strong at $11.8 billion market cap. So yeah, if you are new here, do squeeze and smash that subscribe button, hit that like if you like the video, leave a comment down below, and of course huge thanks to the lovely patrons here. If you do want to be a patron, you can find the link down below, price for coffee, and you will receive an ebook that you will absolutely love, I can guarantee you. So what's happened recently with Shiba? We can see almost $1.5 billion worth of Shiba held by Ethereum whales, which is pretty phenomenal, to be honest. So all of the Ethereum holders are extremely bullish on Shiba Inu. I mean, especially people like Vitalik Buterin. As per whale stats, the top 1,000 Ethereum whales are holding a mind-blowing 1.4 billion in Shiba Inu at the moment. So do they know something that we don't know? It does make you question it. And as we can see, during this 80% correction, you know, Ethereum whales have also gone on an $88 million Shiba Inu buying spree, which is pretty damn cool. And, you know, the smart money must be doing something that, of course, the retail buyers are not. Those who sold in loss, the smart money has now just doubled down on Shiba Inu, and the money's flowing back in through this supply phase. So it's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. As you can see, the Shiba Inu is unfazed by Bitcoin crash, set to launch its metaverse Shiberse. So it's got its own ecosystem coming out. So the developers are really eyeing up these opportunities, and they're listening to community, more burning token supply, deflationary elements. The Shiberse, the entry of Shiba Inu Shiberse, is a path-breaking process and envisages giving an immersive experience for users to have an escapade, that's the one, in the metaverse. Among the USP of Shiberse, its high-quality graphics that are state-of-the-art and would be an experience to remember. However, the Shiba team will release more details about the Shiberse soon, so this is going to be pretty cool. And if that's like a little snippet, a little teaser right there, I mean, it does look quite cool. It's got like some sort of RPG game vibes going on right there. It looks really cool. There's another really cool thing as well. Shiba Inu teases Shiba community on forthcoming event. Once more, where would this lead? So yeah, I mean, look at this video here, guys. So this is the Shiba Twitter. Attention Shiba army, something is cooking. And I'll play the video out for you. Knows that chicken sound? Logo with this like little crossover thing, so it's kind of interesting. The words in the teaser were as follows: attention, something is cooking, will you be ready? Along with the sound of a chicken. So, you know, maybe it's a fast food chain, maybe it's not a fast food chain, maybe it's just a big collaboration with a completely different new food chain or restaurant or something, but either way it sounds pretty damn awesome. So there's some awesome news, some massive news that I think could really help take the project off another couple 100% really from this bottom. So we're trading at $0.00002, 11.8 billion market cap, and we are down 35% on that monthly. Oh dear, it doesn't look good, but you know, it's not the worst thing in the world. Look at this. I mean, we corrected from there. We corrected a mind-blowingly whopping 79%, and it really reminds me of this particular area here where we corrected 80% and had this accumulation supply zone. We're getting something similar. If we can trade in this cup for maybe a good Q1, then I think it will take us off and, you know, allow us to take the trajectory to the upside. You know, maybe it's a bit girdle, roller coastery, but then we start climbing, breaking those resistances, you know, by like mid 2022. That's where I see that we could be back to these big price levels, because we do have our big bullish target of 0.00012 over there, which is created for our Fibonacci extension tool right here. And I do think it's very possible, guys. If we look on the hourly time frame as well, something super bullish to take a look at is this symmetrical triangle where we've got all the support and the resistance, and it's converging like so. Just move that a little bit. And usually we do break to the upside of these particular patterns, and what I'm seeing actually right here on the 30-minute time frame is kind of like a double bottom. So if we can break the resistance here at 0.000021, we should come to the top of our symmetrical triangle, where we could then see another pump to the upside around this 0.000027 level. Really, really juicy. So I kind of think that's what's going to happen with Shiba Inu. We're going to see these next resistance levels retargeted, and I think it's very important that we buy these dips, by the big fearful moments where the RSI is low, the fear is, also very high in the whole crypto market as a general, and it's important to get above this 0.000028 level again before we see a real uptrend. As you can see, we're still far underextended on that 20-day moving average. And that's about it, really. That's a wrap, guys. So my 2022 target is actually 0.00012. I do think we can make it, assuming we keep this bull run going and the rest of the market picks up with it. I don't see us coming down to this next support level at 0.000012. So I am confident that we're going to keep going forwards with this particular project. So if you did like the video, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below, and of course, thanks again, patrons. Really cool to see the support here. If you want to become a patron, do come visit. You can find that down in the description below. You'll also get access to the Discord channel, which doesn't want to pop up for some reason, because okay, screw you. And well, you can find that in the link down below. You'll also receive yourself an ebook, which I'll show you quickly right there. And this is something I wrote over the last 8 weeks or so, and I think you'll really enjoy it. There's the cover right there, guys. If I could go to the bookshelf, I can just show you a little bit. And this book here, people really did love it. It's $8.99 on Amazon, but you can receive that for any price level here. So even if you want to do this £3 a month one, a couple dollars, you'll receive the ebook. And if you don't like it, I will even refund you. That's how confident I am. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.